You cash a paycheck, see the number and expect relief, but it vanishes fast. That's because the headline salary and the money you actually control are different stories. Today, I'll show you the two biggest reasons $50,000 often feels tight, and what to do about each one so the same paycheck finally starts to feel like progress. The first shock is simple. Headline pay is not equal to spending power. $50,000 sounds reassuring until taxes, retirement contributions, health premiums, and other withholdings shrink it. If you plan life around the gross number, monthly reality will always sting. So the first move is mental. Rebase your budget on take-home pay, the actual dollars that hit your account. From there, list fixed costs first, then essentials, then savings. The second, closely linked problem is lifestyle inflation. When income rises, small upgrades, nicer meals, new subscriptions, a slightly better apartment sneak in and become the new baseline. Each feels reasonable alone, but together they eat raises before you can save. Fight this with two habits. Automate saving the moment you get paid, pay yourself first, and implement a cooling off rule for upgrades. Wait 3 to 6 months after a raise before adding any recurring expense. That combination changes raises from automatic lifestyle fuel into deliberate increases in your margin. Some drains aren't personal choices. Housing, healthcare, childcare, and student debt are structural pressures that can consume a big chunk of a modest take-home pay. Recognize what you can't immediately fix and what you can. Start with emergency margin. Even a small buffer, $1,000, drastically reduces anxiety and keeps surprises from derailing you. Next, audit recurring expenses. Subscriptions, insurance gaps, and unused services often leak hundreds yearly. Negotiate or optimize benefits. Ask your employer about retirement matches, health plan options, or flexible spending accounts. These increase effective compensation. For big levers, consider geographic or role shifts, remote work, relocation to a lower-cost area, or switching to roles with better total compensation can meaningfully raise purchasing power without mystical raises. Finally, tackle debt strategically. Refinance high-interest balances, consider income-driven student loan plans, and prioritize high-cost interest first. Combine behavior, automation, cooling off rules with structural moves, benefits, location, debt strategy, and you convert a stagnant paycheck into growing margin, which is the real definition of feeling richer. $50,000 only feels small when headline expectations meet real monthly costs. Rebase on take-home, stop automatic upgrades, build small emergency margin, and use structural levers where you can. If this helped, say which fix you'll try first: rebasing the budget, automating savings, or auditing subscriptions, and I'll drop more practical scripts for that next.